Who would believe you can make delicious, healthy, and diet-friendly flatbreads in just 5 minutes? No oven needed, no sugar, not a single drop of oil, no baking powder, no yeast, just oats and water. I'm sure, after watching this video, you'll never want to buy unhealthy store-bought bread again. I'd love to know which country you're in. Drop your flag or country name in the comments below. We start with 1 cup of rolled oats. Dear friends, our channel is still very small, and your likes help us a lot to reach more people and grow. Please support us. Grind the oats well until they turn into a fine flour. This healthy oatmeal bread is rich in fiber and keeps you full for hours. Unlike store-bought bread, this one won't spike your blood sugar or leave you bloated. Every bite of this healthy oatmeal bread supports your digestion and boosts energy naturally. Why eat processed bread full of preservatives when you can make this clean, homemade version in minutes? Then sift the oat flour to make it smooth. You can use store-bought oat flour instead, if you prefer to skip this step. Place a pan over medium heat. Pour in 1 cup of water. Add a pinch of salt. Stir to dissolve the salt. Once the water is nearly boiling, add the oat flour. Start stirring immediately and continuously. Oats are packed with complex carbs and plant-based protein, making this oat flatbread ideal for weight loss. This bread is not only gluten-free, but also completely free from additives and hidden sugars. Keep stirring and spread the dough across the pan. This helps the excess moisture evaporate. If you're trying to eat clean, this is one of the clean eating recipes you'll actually stick with. Stir until the dough comes together into a single soft mass. Remove the dough from the heat, transfer it onto a flat surface, and let it cool down a bit. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle a little oat flour on top. Once you try this, you'll wonder why you ever settled for less nutritious options. Divide the dough into 6 equal portions. This easy oatmeal bread recipe is a small change that makes a big difference in your daily diet. Make it once and you'll be hooked. This isn't just another trend, it's real whole food. Roll each portion into a ball and set them aside. Feel free to add your favorite dried spices to the dough for extra flavor. You can mix in a pinch of cumin, garlic powder, or even oregano right after adding the oat flour to the water. Try adding some cinnamon for a slightly sweet touch, or chili flakes if you like it spicy. Just stir them in with the oat flour while mixing. Place 1 dough ball between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Use a plate to press it down and flatten it. See? You don't even need a rolling pin for this bread. Remove the top parchment paper carefully. Repeat the same for all dough balls. Flatten it as much as you can to avoid any raw texture after cooking. Now heat a clean pan over medium heat. Let the pan get hot. Use the parchment paper under the dough to flip it into the pan. This keeps the shape intact and your hands clean. Cook one side for about a minute. Then flip it over. You'll see it start to puff and cook through. Flip it a few times to make sure it's cooked evenly. Looking for another easy, delicious, and diet-friendly bread recipe? Make sure to check out our other bread video. It's even more nutritious. I've linked it up here. Don't miss it. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough. And you're done. You'll get soft and delicious flatbreads made with just oats, water, and salt. It's healthy, quick, and super easy to make. To store them, wrap the flatbreads in a cloth and place them in a sealed container or bag in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, place parchment paper between each one, then freeze in a plastic bag for up to 4 to 5 months. I love having this healthy flatbread with some cheese and walnuts as an afternoon snack. What do you usually eat your flatbread with? Drop it in the comments below. If this flatbread made your day just 1% better, please hit like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Bon appetit.